Are you looking for car carpet cleaners? In this video, I will show you the 5 best car carpet cleaners based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best overall carpet cleaner or the most durable one, I'll have the best product for you. And as always, if you want more information and updated pricing on the products in this video, be sure to check out all links in the description down below. On number 5, we've got the Armor All Oxi Magic. Armor All is a respected company in the car care industry, known for its products that keep your car looking new and running smoothly. Its carpet cleaner fits within that reputation. This product is designed to remove stains, even the toughest ones like motor oil. It achieves this through the oxygen-based formula that contains an active ingredient which creates bubbles to pull the particles to the surface. The key features on this one is that it's available in 22-ounce bottles, it contains a oxygen-based formula, and it is designed to clean mud, coffee, soda, ink, grass, motor oils, and more. On number 4, we've got the Blue Coral DC22. Blue Coral's carpet cleaner removes stains and eliminates odors at the same time. For older stains, use the brush cap to penetrate deeper into the fabric and loosen up the particles. This product only comes in one size of 22.8 fluid ounces, but this is larger than the comparable sizes of the other carpet cleaners reviewed in this video, which are anywhere between 16 and 22 ounces. The key features on this one is that it's available in 22.8 ounce bottles like I just said. It has a brush cap which is included, and it's designed to clean grease, tar, coffee, lipstick, blood, and way more. One treatment makes a stain area look way better, but a second or third treatment is needed to completely take out the stain, so make sure to keep that in mind when buying this product. On number 3, we've got the Turtle Wax T224R1. Turtle Wax products has everything you want in a carpet cleaner, all at a price below $5. It cleans the carpets and rubber mats of your vehicle while simultaneously eliminating the odors of those spills and stains. It comes with a brush cap so that you can scrub those hard to reach stains. Its ingredients even include silicone that acts as a shield to prevent future carpet stains, meaning you won't have to get on your hands and knees to clean your car floor anytime soon. It has a detachable brush cap included, and it has a silicone shield to repel dirt. On number 2, we've got the CarGuys Lightning Fast. Of all the carpet cleaners that we've reviewed so far, the CarGuys Lightning Fast Carpet and Upholstery Stain Extractor is the only one that requires dilution. While this means you'll need a bucket and extra spray bottles to create the diluted mixture, it's generally a more cost-effective option because of how long one bottle will last. This is the only carpet cleaner that was advertised as being able to clean more than just your vehicle. If you have pets or children that stain carpets in both your home and car, this product can help keep both carpets clean, which is an amazing bonus that comes with this specific product. On number 1, we've got CarGuys Super Cleaner. We've named CarGuys Premium Super Cleaner as the best overall carpet cleaner because of its versatility and effectiveness. This product can clean a majority of surfaces on the inside or outside of your vehicle, which means you don't have to purchase several products to clean different parts of your car. The company is so confident that it will produce results, it offers a full refund anytime for any reason. So you cannot really go wrong with this product, and that's why this one is on number 1. Alright, that's it for the best car carpet cleaners in 2020 and beyond. If you appreciate this video, please consider leaving a like, that would help us out, and as always, I'll leave links to all the products mentioned in today's video in the description down below, so make sure you go check that out if you're interested, and I'll see you in the next video.